Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sewityourself. For today's project, I am going to share you how to attach this falls with the saree. For that, I have washed this falls and iron it. This is the cotton falls. You have to choose the falls which is matching to your saree color or the bottom of the saree. Now, you can see these both edges are already stitched. If it is not stitched, you have to fold it once and have to make a stitch. Now I'll show you how to attach this with the saree. And this raw edge, you have to fold it once and make a stitch. To begin with, first open the saree. So this is the pallu and this is the opposite side, and the raw edges I have already finished it by folding it twice. So to begin with, you should not start from here. You have to leave some space like 10 inch or 15 inch. It depends on you. You have to choose it. According to that, you have to mark it. Now I am marking 10 inch here. At this point, I am going to attach the falls. So this is the right side and the wrong side should be inside. So just place it here. This is the wrong side. It should face the saree. Fold the raw edge once and place it here. Then you have to make a stitch. The edges of both the saree and the falls should be on the same point. So there should not be any ups and downs on it. Place the falls exactly at this point. Then start stitching. So after this, you have to fold this end also once and make a stitch. After attaching this, I will start from the beginning. So this is the beginning point. Again, I am making a stitch here. So it will be easier to stitch if you start stitching from this point again. So there won't be any ups and downs. So at this point, lift the pressure foot and turn the saree and start stitching. Always spread the saree like this so that there won't be any wrinkles after attaching the falls. Again stitch up to this point, then lift the pressure foot and turn and make a stitch. Now if you did wrong, so this won't be at the straight line. So this is how it looks. So you can see there is no wrinkles on it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.